Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a music mogul's legacy under siege, not by rivals in the industry, but by a persistent claim from a man asserting he is the heir to an empire. Today, we delve into the intricate saga surrounding Jay-Z and the paternity allegations from Rymir Satterthwaite, a case that has spanned decades, entangled courts, and now draws in celebrities like 50 Cent and Nicki Minaj. Prepare for 10 compelling facts that unravel this complex narrative, blending legal intricacies with profound human drama. Let's explore. The story originates in 1992, when Jay-Z allegedly met Wanda Satterthwaite in Philadelphia. According to court documents and affidavits, he transported her to his aunt's apartment in Brooklyn, New York, where they had a brief encounter that reportedly resulted in her pregnancy. This detail serves as a cautionary tale from classic literature where one decision alters lives forever. Wanda later shared this with her son around age 8, setting the stage for years of pursuit. Yet, if this encounter sparked the flame, the ensuing efforts to verify paternity have been met with formidable resistance. Stay with us for Fact 2, where a pivotal DNA test reshapes the family narrative and points an accusatory finger squarely at Jay-Z. Initially, Wanda's live-in boyfriend, Robert Graves, was listed on Rymir's birth certificate. However, a 2011 DNA test conclusively proved Graves was not the father, leading to his name's legal removal. Wanda maintained she had relations only with Graves and Jay-Z during that period, employing a process of elimination that logically implicates the rapper. This revelation, detailed in legal filings, underscores the reliability of scientific evidence in resolving such disputes, much like how forensic advancements have solved cold cases in history. With science on one side, why the reluctance to confirm? Fact 3 illuminates the potential criminal undertones that may explain Jay-Z's evasion, a shadow that looms large over his storied career. The age disparity, Jay-Z at 22 and Wanda at 16, introduces allegations of statutory misconduct, which could explain his steadfast refusal to undergo a paternity test. Admitting fatherhood might inadvertently acknowledge a violation of laws protecting minors, a predicament that echoes historical scandals where power imbalances led to profound consequences. Court documents highlight this as a turning point where initial amicable discussions soured, revealing the high stakes involved. From promising overtures to abrupt defensiveness, Fact 4 exposes how legal strategies shifted dramatically once the full implications surfaced. This evolution in approach is as intriguing as it is telling. Continue watching to uncover the details. Early communications with Jay-Z's legal team were reportedly cordial, even discussing Rymir's musical talents and potential affiliation with Roc Nation post-high school. However, upon realizing the underage element, a new team intervened, adopting a more adversarial stance. Wanda's godmother, Lily Coley, recounted in interviews how attitudes changed overnight, suggesting the team recognized the matter extended beyond finances into potential criminal liability. This pivot mirrors corporate crises where initial transparency gives way to fortified defenses. Legal battles ensued, but procedural hurdles derailed early efforts. Fact 5 chronicles Rymir's determination to revive the fight, armed with fresh evidence that challenges Jay-Z's jurisdictional defenses. The momentum is building. Don't miss this pivotal development. Wanda's initial civil lawsuit for child support was dismissed due to being filed in the wrong state, never to be refiled. Years later, Rymir took up the mantle, but Jay-Z's attorneys argued against a DNA test in New Jersey, claiming no property or residency ties there. Countering this, Rymir presented excerpts from Tina Knowles' book confirming Jay-Z's New Jersey property ownership during the relevant period, effectively dismantling that barrier and allowing the case to proceed. Allegations of judicial impropriety add another layer of intrigue. Fact 6 delves into claims of corruption that have allegedly stalled justice for years, painting a picture of a system swayed by influence. If integrity in our institutions matters to you, this fact demands your attention. Rymir has accused lawyers and judges of fraud, collusion, and deliberate oversights, suggesting payoffs to suppress the case. In passionate statements, he described ongoing craziness, where evident fraud is ignored, eroding faith in the judiciary. This echoes broader concerns about equity in legal proceedings, reminiscent of landmark cases where systemic biases were exposed, urging a call for accountability. Beyond words, the threats turn physical in Fact 7, where intimidation tactics surface, drawing parallels to other high-profile disputes. The stakes escalate. Remain engaged as we examine these chilling accusations. Following his lawsuit filing, Rymir reported being shot at, with bullet holes in his car, and suspects' items were planted, leading to police stops. These claims align with patterns described by Desiree Perez's daughter, who alleged similar silencing methods by Roc Nation. Such tactics evoke memories of corporate espionage stories, where dissent is quashed through fear, raising questions about the lengths to which power will go. Public figures are amplifying the discourse. Fact 8 highlights how 50 Cent and Nicki Minaj have entered the fray, exposing alleged vendettas and adding celebrity weight to the controversy. Their involvement transforms this from a private matter to a public spectacle. Tune in for the revelations. 50 Cent has actively shared developments on social media, while Nicki Minaj reposted with cryptic commentary, later accusing Roc Nation of sabotaging her career, attacking her family, and shadow banning her online presence. She further claimed Jay-Z owes her money and implied professional sabotage as the reason for her music hiatus. This feud, blending personal and professional grievances, resembles historic rivalries in the entertainment world that captivated audiences for generations. Whispers of involvement from Beyoncé herself intensify the narrative. Fact 9 explores allegations of her influence in obstructing the case, culminating in recent court orders. As deadlines approach, the pressure mounts. Proceed to this crucial update. Reports suggest Beyoncé has sought to block proceedings, with hearsay indicating directives to make Rymir go away. Amidst claims tying Jay-Z to nefarious activities, a judge extended his response deadline to July 18, 2025. However, recent filings show Jay-Z has now responded, denouncing the allegations as fabricated and a decades-long campaign of harassment, requesting additional time to evaluate or dismiss the suit. This development, as of July 2025, marks a significant escalation in the ongoing legal battle. Finally, Fact 10 clarifies Rymir's true objectives beyond mere recognition. It's a quest for systemic reform. Our conclusion awaits, wrapping this saga with thought-provoking insights. Rymir insists his pursuit is not for financial gain or familial bonds, but to expose corrupt judicial practices that imposed fraudulent orders, financial losses, and illegal liens on his family's home. He urges Jay-Z to take the test if innocent, emphasizing truth over reconciliation. This stance highlights broader issues of due process and fairness, akin to civil rights struggles where individuals challenge entrenched powers for justice. There you have it, 10 illuminating facts on this enduring paternity controversy involving Jay-Z. What are your thoughts on these developments? Share them in the comments below. Like if you found this insightful, subscribe for more in-depth analyses of cultural and legal matters, and share with friends who appreciate thoughtful discourse. Until next time, stay informed.